my name is Etelina Tarian Jaijis. My nometric 20DSC25F1001.
Hello, my name is Nur Alin Syuhada binti Roji. I'm from DSC1B. My matrix number 20 DSC 25F1020.
Hello, my name is Nofati Izati binti Muhammad Zamiruddin. I'm from DSC1B. My matrix number is 20 DSC 25F1074.
Hello, my name is Kirtana, daughter of Ganasan. I am from DAC 1B class. My matrix number is 20 DAC 25F1082.
Hello, I want to discuss to this topic. Zara trending sendirian Berhad, Batik business tour TikTok shop. One key issue revenue regression. Online sales revenue should be recognized when payment is made by customer, as the company has already earned the right to the sales at the point. Other important issue is the treatment of delivery charge. If the company use GNT course service to delivery batik to customer, delivery fees should be recorded separately as expenses rates as part of sales revenue. This is because the charge belong to a third party GNT and does not represent the company actual income. This is TikTok shop order process. First, customer place an order. Select the product, for example, batik, and click buy or check out. Number 2, payment is made. Customer can pay TikTok Pay, COD, or e-wallet. Number 3, notification revealed by seller. Zara Trending revise order notification to TikTok sales center. Number 4, order preparation and shipping. Product is packed and shipped using GNT or other countries service. Number 5, order status update. TikTok shop update the order as shipped or delivered. Number 6, confirm and revenue regression. Once payment is complete and product is delivered, that's all.
Okay, today I'm going to talking about key accounting issues in Zara Trading Sendirian Berhad. The first one is revenue recognition. The issue was a company changed how it recognized revenue after moving to an e-commerce platform. It's a conceptual framework link. It was must ensure revenue is recognized when control of goods transferred to the customer. If recognized too early, it becomes overstatement of income. If it's too late, it's understatement of income. This affected qualitative characteristics are relevance, faithful representation, and comparability. The second key accounting issue was the treatment of delivery cost. The issue was delivery cost increased with online sales. Question is whether these costs are part of expense, it means distribution cost, or include the in cost of sales or covered from customers. So the conceptual framework link was must ensure expense are matched with related revenue. The affected qualitative statistics was faithful representation and understandability. The third key accounting issue was consistency and comparability. The issues change in accounting policy affect comparison with previous years. Conceptual framework link need proper disclosure in notes to financial statement. In the affected collective characteristics was comparability, understandability, and timeless. The fourth key accounting issue was disclosure and transparency. The issue management unsure if changes are clearly presented. The conceptual framework link nature of the change, why the change was made, and impact on revenue, expense, and profit. The affected collective strategies was verifiability and understandability. Okay, the fifth and last key accounting issue was fair presentation and accurate basics. The issue must ensure the financial statements give a true and fair view under accurate basics. The conceptual framework link going concern assumption and accurate basic. The affected collective strategies are faithful representation and relevance. That's all.
Thirdly, relevant elements of the conceptual framework. The objective of financial reporting is the purpose is to provide useful and reliable financial information to help stakeholders make decisions. For example, by reporting Batik Zahara sales and delivery costs, the directors can see which products sell best online and decide whether to expand stock and adjust pricing. The second is fundamental qualitative characteristic. The first fundamental qualitative characteristic is relevance revenue. Relevance revenue is information to help in decision making. Batik Zahara daily and weekly sells through TikTok Shop. This is relevant to managers and investors because it shows demand trends for batik product. For example, during festive seasons, a sharp increase in batik sales provides useful prediction of purchase profitability. The second is faithful representation. Faithful representation is information must be complete, neutral, and accurate. For example, Zahara should record all clothing sales, return, and refunds from TikTok Shop. Revenue should only be recognized when customers receive their clothes to avoid overstating sales. The last is enhancing qualitative characteristic. The first enhancing qualitative characteristic is comparability. Compare clothing sales before all commerce sites and after moving to TikTok Shop. For example, Batik Zahara present sales result for 2024 vs 2025 side by side. Investors can compare performance across years to evaluate whether TikTok Shop has improved growth. Without comparability, it would be difficult to assess performance trends. The second one is verifiability. Sales figures can be cross-checked. With TikTok Shop records, payment, receive, and JNT courier delivery reports. This makes the financial information more trustworthy because independent sources can confirm the data. The third one is timeliness. For example, Batik Zahara must provide finances reports on time, monthly or quarterly. If reports are delayed, the information loses relevance for managers or investors to make decisions. The last one is understandability. For example, Batik Zahara use simple charts and terms in its financial highlight, such as total batik sold or JNT delivery cost. Additional notes explain accounting terms in plain language, making reports understandable for non-experts. Thank you.
Lastly, I will give him basic advice on how Zahara trending can be reflected clearly and fairly in the financial statement. To begin with, revenue recognitions. Record revenue only when goods delivery as a first MFRS. Zahara must only record revenue when the customer actually receive the goods. For example, if a customer order a 1st August but goods delivery on 3rd August, revenue is recognized on 3rd August, not 1st. This ensures faithful representations to don't have overstep sale. Then, delivery costs. Show delivery separately as an expenses. For example, batik, one of Zahara product. Customer pay hundreds for batik and 10 ringgit delivery fee. In addition, staff training, accountant and staff should be trained. Last but not at least, internal control. Zahara should strengthen internal checks. For example, have manager review revenue entries before finalizing reports. This is ensure the information is reliable and accurate. So that's all.
The lastly is conclusion. First, Zahara Trading Sdn Bhd moved to online sales. Highlight the importance of applying the conceptual framework. Second, proper revenue recognition ensures accuracy in reporting online transactions. Third is correct treatment of delivery charge like separate from sales revenue to maintain transparency. Fourth, applying qualitative characteristics like relevance, faithful representation, comparability, and timeliness to build user confidence. The last is, by following these principles, Zahara Trading can maintain consistency, accountability, and investors' trust, ensuring long-term sustainability in its batik business. Thank you.